Are you Arthur Knight or Nicholas Rossi? Shackled to a wheelchair. This is the person at the centre of an international manhunt, entering a court here in Edinburgh, which is tasked with determining who he really is.
It's the end game for you, isn't it?
He says he's Arthur Knight, an Irish citizen who's never stepped foot in America. US authorities claim he's Nicholas Rossi, a fugitive with a colourful criminal record, wanted for sex charges. Someone who faked his own death and went on the run. They want him extradited.
The prosecution narrative is that you are an alleged rapist.
A view shared by American law enforcement, who claim he's a fraudster, a dangerous sexual predator, something Sky News questioned him about earlier this year.
Are you that man? Are you Nicholas Rossi?
I can veritably say that I have not ever once done any of the acts that you just described.
He was arrested in his COVID hospital bed in Glasgow last Christmas, tracked down after an Interpol tip-off. Tattoos, it's claimed, the giveaway.
Would you show us your arms?
I've shown you my arms.
Yeah, your biceps.
Yeah, I would show. Okay, I'm not getting into this conversation.
The conversation continued with its first witnesses, including Glasgow hospital medics Ruth Keating and Dr. Robert Hart. Nurse Keating recalled the moment police turned up at the hospital reception. She guided those officers acting under an Interpol warrant to her patient's bedside. She was shown an array of images of the man US authorities are looking to track down, and she said it was Arthur Knight. She cared for him 3 days a week in hospital at that point, and she said his tattoos on his biceps were distinctive. The court here also heard from an expert witness in fingerprints who said the fingerprints taken here in Scotland match those with Interpol.
Guys, you need to
How do you feel that went? No response from a man whose fate, whose future now lies in the hands of a single sheriff in this Scottish court. Connor Gillies, Sky News, Edinburgh.